College at this school is like the end goal. Not just getting into college, but succeeding at college. So everything that we do here is trying to prepare you for that, to understand how to schedule your time, making good choices when you're here, getting a good friend group that will support you and kind of hold you accountable.
Most of our classes are either honors or like AP. We're having to learn at a higher rate than other students around the city, and giving us higher level classes really helps with the high level classes that are going to be later in college.
I just feel the whole preparation for college from 6th to 12th grade is just great. I just feel like it's something that everyone should have because our school is really good at supporting any choice that you decide to do.
College means freedom. It means financial freedom, and so getting that education so that I can support myself when I'm older and be able to get into a job where I feel successful. Because especially as a woman, I feel like there's not many advocates for us, and so we have to be independent in trying to get what we want. And I think college will provide that stability. I think it will also provide connections and that real world experience where we can prove ourselves and prove our strengths and also find what we're passionate about.
Seeking higher education is really admirable and noble, I think, and just wanting to continue to learn. I feel like a big part of college for me isn't just trying to figure out what I want to do as a career, but just continuing to learn.
My goal of an impact has always been provide for my family. That's an ultimate goal for the whole family, is just me going off to college, making a career, and being successful.
So the foundation funding all of those trips and making sure that that idea of college and our potential campus is always in our mind and fueling all of our academic kind of prospects and hard work.
The resources Ann Richards provides for you is probably the best resources out there. I have friends who go to other high schools and they don't even have a college counselor to help them, right? They're doing each and every step, the application process, the financial process, everything by themselves.
Heineman is our college advisor.
So he knows how to point us in a direction of, this school has this program that I think you'd be fit in because you have these good scores and what you're doing in school. So he's able to guide us as well as give us knowledge, which really helps.
Having just one discussion with Mr. Heineman just made me feel so good. I was like, okay, I'm set, I can do it.
They have the time and the resources, and they're just so dedicated to making sure that the college process is really specific towards your needs. I think we're so lucky, and it feels really nice to be supported by this huge system, and I feel like a lot of times we don't see it, but it's always there, and they always want to see us succeed.
Our teachers just love being able to just be there for us, and that's what helped me stay, here and kept me moving, because I was like, there's people that, actually care other than just, my family, because sometimes it's good to have someone other than just family, in your corner.
We've had really, really great teachers here, and the teachers, you can tell they really believe in all the students and that they just know that we're going to be successful and we can do anything.
Mr. Heineman and the foundation and our teachers and staff, they are beside you every step of the way. They are not necessarily holding your hand, but they are there to help guide you and lead you in the right path.
I've applied to many top schools, but also I've gotten into UT, I've gotten into Northeastern, and I have a couple $1,000 in scholarships right now, so really excited about that, but also just really hopeful in the months to come to just see my results.
I've applied to 9 colleges. I only got into 8, sadly. I'm excited to meet new people and kind of branch out and just be a new person, kind of.
I'm excited for senior year. I feel like senior year, how you see it in the movies, exactly what I expect. But it's High School Musical type of thing. We're about to graduate. I've been with my peers for 7 years, and it's so amazing that we're all graduating together.
I'm really excited, I think, for that first day on campus, where I can explore and maybe just kind of go around the campus and see, oh, that could be potentially where I meet my best friend for life.
I'm excited to walk down the stage in 4 months with my class of 2022 peers, to know that these 7 years with them was probably right now, the best 7 years of my entire life. because they have allowed me to become the person that I am today. And with each and every one of their help, I know that I will be ready for my next 4 years and my new journey.